Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now in this video we will discuss if this type of puzzle is given. If the value of the three sides 1, 5, 3, 10, 6 and 8 and you have to find the value of 7, 1 and the question marks, then how can you find? So what you can do, you can add the two sides, that is 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and make it half. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now apply the same logic in triangle number 2. This is 1, this is 2, and we have to find the value of triangle number 3. So 10 plus 6 is 16, and 16 make it half. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now respectively do the same. 7 plus 1 is 8 and make it half. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the value of question mark is 4. You can apply the same logic if you find this kind of puzzle. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel.